Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're talking about natural remedies and essential oils for headaches. Headaches are something that I have struggled with since I can remember, since I was really young, and it's just my body's way of telling me that something is off. It could be a bunch of different things, so that's why it's hard, but also I am thankful for that because then I can kind of investigate, like, what have I had today? Have I drank any water today? Am I dehydrated? Do I have to go to the bathroom? Constipation always causes a headache too. So there are lots of different reasons. So first, I would just highly encourage you to listen to your body, think about what you've been doing, and maybe find out the root cause before you even try any of these things. But if you need some relief, I have some natural remedies, and these are things that I personally try and they work for me, and so I just wanted to share. And I've gotten a few requests on just what essential oils that I recommend for headaches, and really it's peppermint. That is the number one, but there are a few different other ones, and then some other supplements and remedies as well. And also, these are not treatments, these are just suggestions that I have tried to kind of support your body. The first oil is lavender essential oil, and this is just in itself just super calming, so it might even just help you to get to that mind state, so where you can kind of figure out why you're having a headache in the first place. So take a few deep breaths. After I list all of these, there are just different ways that you can use the oils too. But first, just take a few deep breaths of an essential oil bottle of lavender. Tons of studies on how lavender has a significant calming effect on the body. So that one is always a good one. That is like the queen of essential oils, the Swiss Army knife. You can use it for so many things. If you don't have lavender in your kit or in your collection, add it to it today. Okay, peppermint is next, and this one you've probably heard of. There are tons of different peppermint rollers, headache rollers, and the main ingredient or the main oil is peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, so it has a soothing and cooling effect on the body. So we use peppermint a lot for headaches. The Sage brand Peppermint Halo, I think it's called, is super powerful, but it is just it's just peppermint and a little bit of coconut oil. So make a roller, make it as powerful as you can without it being irritating to your skin. Roll it on, be super careful not to get it in your eyes. Roll it on the back of your neck, on your temples, kind of just the halo of your head. It almost works instantly for me, but like I said, just be careful with it. It will cause skin irritations if you apply peppermint directly or if it's not diluted enough. Diffusing peppermint is also really effective too. The smell of it just now just made me like, it's invigorating, but it also just like kind of eases tension in my body. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, so that in itself can help depending on what is causing your headache, right? So I thought that was a good and unique one to share because it's not usually one that's used or recommended for this. It's usually like the tummy roller type of oil for digestive problems. So try ginger too. Maybe make a roller of lavender, peppermint, and ginger. I just filmed an entire video on eucalyptus, so I have to mention it too. It's not in this blog post, but eucalyptus has the analgesic properties too, so will definitely help with pain. There's a lot of studies done with eucalyptus and how it significantly reduced pain in very specific things. So eucalyptus also, you can just combine all of those oils in a roller. You can put them in a diffuser. Oh, that's what I was going to share next or after, but I'll share it now. So the different ways to use the essential oils are to put some in like a bowl of warm water and let the steam, do like a steam treatment type of thing. Inhalation, diffuse, so put a few drops in your diffuser. You can also mix a few drops with carrier oil of your choice, like almond, jojoba, coconut oil, and some Epsom salt. Just make sure you're diluting the oils with all of this and then take a bath. An aromatherapy bath is just probably the most relaxing and like most effective way to get rid of to relax and get rid of a headache. You could also make just like a tension relief massage oil. So if you want to just mix a bottle of coconut oil or whatever carrier oil that you like for massage and add all of your essential oils for headache into that and just have a nice like whole body massage. Okay, and lastly, the three things that help me the most in kind of just preventing them all together is making sure that I am as healthy and hydrated as possible. So drinking enough water. I know you hear that probably constantly at this point, but it is important, and not like too much, just making sure you're drinking some water throughout the day. Magnesium magnesium is one that has kind of changed the game for me. So I started getting headaches during the first trimester, I almost said semester, first trimester of my pregnancy, in both actually, and so my doctor prescribed magnesium just for that, just for some relief for that. But after doing some research on magnesium and finding out how many people are probably deficient in it was like mind-blowing. So magnesium is something that I still take every single day. I have the powder by Ned right now, but any high quality with no fillers magnesium supplement should help you a lot with this. It's something I always recommend to people because it helped me and like kind of just blew my mind. Like something so simple would make such a big difference. And then exercise. So I recently got back into a regular exercise routine, and I don't even think I've had probably one headache in the last 3 months, and that's really like rare for me. So I do think that that's helping a ton. There are millions of benefits of regular exercise, right? So just go for a walk or do whatever you want to do that you're going to stay consistent with. And like, so I do classes at the YMCA. It's Pilates and bar. There's just a variety of different ones, and I love it. So it's fun. I'm encouraged. It's a group setting, so I really like that. But find something that works for you. If it's just taking your dog for a walk, or your kid, or just going for a walk by yourself, whatever it is, just make sure you're getting some type of exercise in. As far as migraines go, I really am kind of at a loss with information to give you because I've never had a migraine and I don't really know much about them. I do know that a couple of essential oil brands have a specific migraine blend, so I will link those down below, but I will do some more research on that and maybe do an updated or a different video on that topic. But that I feel like is just something that I just don't know enough about to even share about. So if you have any questions on anything I shared, let me know in the comments down below. You know what essential oil video you want me to film next. Thank you guys so much for your support. I hope you have a great day. Bye.